Hannah.
Rob. David.
And we're from the top.
Yay!
You're gonna have to bear with us for just a moment. It's a very big weekend, and we forgot to decide what musical we were gonna perform. Normally we perform a brand new musical, but we totally forgot to decide which one. So, I need from the chat a letter of the alphabet. I need from the audience a letter of the alphabet. B. I heard B. What do we got in the chat?
Looks like F like Frank.
F like Frank. F and B. All right. So guys, we're gonna try and come up with musicals that involve the initials F and B in order to figure out what we're gonna do for the Back on Our Feet show tonight. Okay? So
Right.
all right, give it a shot. Let's take it away.
Oh, I got one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ah, Free Bears. Remember that musical about that whole city that's feeling kind of down, and then the pet shop starts giving out a free bear to everyone
Free
who's
bears.
sad? Oh, it's great. Oh, remember that hit song right in the middle of it? Make it a grizzly. Anna, would you?
I want a pet, but I don't know what kind. What's in store at the pet store? I think I'll take a dog. No, maybe a cat. Maybe a snake. No, make it a grizzly. Make it a grizzly. What can I bring for my child for her 7th birthday? Shall I bring a tiny little rabbit or a hamster? I don't think so. Oh, make it a grizzly. Make it a grizzly. She will be so happy. Make it a grizzly. That's terrific. Wow, what a great musical that would be if we did it. And but I want to recommend that wonderful hit musical that takes place in the 1860s called Finally Brethren. It's about a country preacher who gathers the town to spread the good news about a well in the town now. And finally, brethren, as sung by the country preacher David,
Yeah.
with the town around him, excited for this song. Hey, it's a well!
Yeah, what is it?
Come closer, my children. I've come here to preach the good news. For what once was dry shall now be wet. Finally a well, finally a well. There's just one thing that can save us from hell. It's finally a well. We've been parched for days. The heat, the dryness. We can't stand this anymore, but finally, there's a well. There's finally a well. And only that thing can save us from hell. It's finally a well. Fetch us a drink, Sister Emily.
Will do, Pastor.
That is a mighty deep bucket.
Finally a well.
Finally a well. Now drink up, my children. There's finally a well.
you've been doing the FB thing, but if we switch it, there's an even better one called Broken Fridge. It's a post-apocalyptic musical where the last surviving family on Earth is worried about their survival because their fridge is broken and their food is spoiling. And there's this great number called The Milk Has Turned. I think that'd be perfect for you, Anna.
The milk has turned. What is happening here? Oh no, it's turned. That means just one thing.
Oh no.
The milk has turned. My stomach's turning. Why is this happening? Oh no, the fridge is broken. What shall I do with this milk in my hand? Shall I give it to mother? Shall I give it to father? No, I shall give it to brother. This milk has turned. This milk has turned. So come here, brother. Come here. Hey, I have a fresh glass of milk for you.
Oh boy.
Milk glass.
Great.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
We should do. I mean, I don't think we can decide.
Yeah.
I think there's only really one group that can decide.
Mm-hmm.
That's you guys.
Oh, okay, we're gonna do that.
Well,
Alright,
yes. Sorry, we're improvising.
Apparently we are. That's not how we practice this. Okay, so here's what's going to happen. You, at this point, are going to decide which one you want to see a very short musical about. Is it Free Bears? Is it Finally Brethren?
Finally Brethren.
Or is it The Broken Fridge? So, I need you to make a whole lot of noise for whichever musical you would like to see. Is it Free Bears? Is it Finally Brethren? Or is it The Broken Fridge? All right, so now, yeah.
That was clearly the best one.
Go ahead, take it away.
Thank you so much. All right, so, you're right. You remember how the Broken Fridge starts?
Yeah, it's
right.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Yeah. The Wasteland.
The Wasteland. Yep.
Right. So yeah. This the family in the Wasteland, and the first scene where we get to know them. Right.
Uh-huh.
The whole family.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
All
three of them.
yes. the
last-
perfect number.
The last three survivors in the entire world.
Right. Let's hit that scene.
Okay. Yeah. Joan. Freddie.
Everything tastes like sand today.
I know. It sure does. And I got bad news.
More bad news? What? This is just completely bad news all around.
I've been scanning the ham radio dials for weeks and not a single transmission.
I got excited because you said ham.
We're the last survivors. I've been trying to make contact for weeks.
You mean we're it?
We're it.
What? We're it.
We're humanity's last hope. The three of us are all that's left. No one else on this earth. We must do the best we can to carry on. We're humanity's last hope. Humanity's last hope.
Humanity's last hope.
Humanity's last hope.
Humanity's last hope. Oh man. I can't take this pressure. I want to make a friend. I just want all this wasteland to finally end. We're humanity's last hope. Humanity's last hope.
Oh my.
Oh, you.
If I have to spend the rest of this life with you two, what will I do? I shall pretend you're better than what you are.
Probably for the best.
That's not hard.
Humanity's last hope is in you two.
Humanity's last hope.
And me.
And you. Humanity's last hope.
We're humanity's last hope. And at first they do pretty good.
Yeah,
I mean, the first crop they plant is a bumper crop, and they think it's going to last them for years.
That's right.
And then the rats come.
And then the rest.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I mean, that's a great scene, honestly.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
And honestly, and then the rats comes kind of my favorite song
Yeah,
in
it
the musical.
is.
So
Yeah.
let's see that one.
The crop's in. Look at it.
That's more potatoes than I ever thought I'd see in my life.
Yeah. That's because we end up in Idaho with the apocalypse. So.
Who knew that would be the best place?
Yes. Uh-huh. Uh-oh.
Hey, what's that?
Wait. Oh, it's just one rat. What could one rat
Oh,
do?
one rat. That's fine. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Let's just.
Uh-oh. What is that wall of black coming toward us?
That's an apocalypse of rats. That's a rat apocalypse!
Rat-pocalypse!
Ratpocalypse! We're coming for you! Ratpocalypse! You're through! Ratpocalypse! We're coming for you!
Oh!
Ratpocalypse! You're through!
What do we do in this rat apocalypse? They'll eat up all of our potatoes.
Yum!
What will we do in this rat apocalypse? Should we have planted tomatoes?
Apocalypse! Ratpocalypse! We're coming for you! We're coming for you! Ratpocalypse! Ratpocalypse! We're coming for you! We're coming for you!
There's no more rat poison left
No!
in the world. They eat everything in sight. We can't plant any more potatoes, 'cause they're covered with blight.
Rat apocalypse! Rat apocalypse!
We're coming for you!
We're coming for you!
Coming for us!
Ratpocalypse!
Rat apocalypse!
Ratpocalypse! We're coming for you! Oh, I'm full.
That's tough in the rat.
And then they found out that rats that had eaten themselves to death on potatoes were actually kind of tasty.
Yeah. So things kind of worked out there and then just transformed the food from one form to another.
Yeah. Yeah. Ah.
And then they discovered there were people, but they were hiding because they were afraid of the family.
Right.
And that fun scene where they got to know each other, they kind of like we're at odds, but they kind of came around.
Yeah, you know.
And We Are Family was the name of that song.
Yeah. Let's see the scene that goes into that.
Yes.
You people are the potato rat eaters, aren't you?
Oh.
We've heard about you.
We are! That's us! And you're the hiding in caves people!
Yep. Yep, we're the Cape people. Cape people from Montana. Just across the border.
You've been here the whole time?
We've been watching you.
What do you want with us?
Well, we had a great debate in our family. Should we make war or peace on you?
I hope you picked peace.
The vote was tied.
If I vote peace, does that swing it?
No? I am the deciding vote.
Oh, well,
Make your case for peace.
oh,
I can give you a grilled rat. It tastes like potatoes and a little bit like bubonic plague. But you get used to that.
and I'm adorable.
We have adorable people in our clan too. You are adorable, not saying you aren't. Just saying that we also have adorable people.
Do you have obnoxious people?
We have obnoxious people. We have all types of people.
You have adorable people that can sing and dance.
We sure do. How about you?
That's me!
That's you.
And you, sort of. You can do it.
Obnoxious people who can sing and dance.
And we have all kinds of people who can sing and dance. That's all we've been doing.
Really?
Huh?
Will you sing with us?
We will sing with you. If we harmonize, there will be peace. If we disharmonize, there will be war.
Oh no! The pressure's on!
I don't know if I'm ready for this, but okay.
So,
Do it, sing.
peace or war?
Let's sing for peace together.
Together.
We can be a family together.
Together.
Together. We'll harmonize for peace together. This is going well.
We've got lots of people who live in harmony with each other.
Harmony.
And now I think we'll live in harmony.
That's exactly what we should do for the Back on Our Feet show tonight.
Yeah.
That's exactly the one we should
yeah.
do tonight.
Yeah.
Tonight?
Yeah.
Tonight.
Wait.
Well.
Oh,
Oh.
we're out of time.
We're out of
Oh,
time.
what? I'm sorry. We were going to do a musical for you guys, but we ran out of time.
Sorry.
I guess you'll have to just, well, trust us, it was going to be really good. So, thank you very much for your time, and I'm sorry. And now, where do we go? Here's Chris.
Chris is coming back.